The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the main unit and proceed to install the bracket plate. Remove the pre-installed screws on the handle bracket and install the bracket. Handle installation. Insert the handle plug into the corresponding socket on the main unit until a clear click is heard. Pico laser handle tip installation. There are 3 probes. Choose the installation method according to your needs. Please note that the probes must not be dropped or knocked, as this can easily damage them. Pedal switch installation. Align the concave notch on the plug with the convex guide on the socket. Then insert the plug and rotate the locking ring clockwise to secure. Place the installed handles one by one on the accessory rack. Water filling. Remove the sealing caps from the injection and overflow ports. Attach the funnel to the injection port. Fill with pure or distilled water until it flows from the overflow port. Remove the funnel and securely replace the sealing caps. Connect the power cord. Press the power button. Click the key icon and then click Start to enter the function interface. Select the Pico laser function button. Default startup 532 nanometers. Settings: energy 500 mJ, frequency 3 Hz. Note: press the foot switch to release energy. Press the red button on the back of the machine to control the red dot switch on the handle. 3. These parameters are for reference only. You can adjust them from low to high according to your personal tolerance. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Click on 755 nanometers. Settings: energy 600 mJ, frequency 4 Hz. Note: 1. Press the foot switch to release energy. Press the red button on the back of the machine to control the red dot switch on the handle. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Click on 1064 nanometers. Settings: energy 700 mJ, frequency 4 Hz. Note: press the foot switch to release energy. Press the red button on the back of the machine to control the red dot switch on the handle. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Select 808 755 1064 nanometers diode laser function. Select M for the operating area. Click on the model space. Select 2-4 skin tone, and then click to select SHR stack. Settings: Fluence 45J/CM superscript 2, stack 25, cooling level 4. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Select S for the operating area. Click on the model's armpit. Select 2-4 skin tone, and then click to select SHR. Settings, pulse width, 40 Hz, frequency, 4 Hz. Cooling level, 4. Tap STBY to initiate the process. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. To drain or replace the water in the tank, remove the cap from the drainage port and attach a funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow and wait for the water to drain completely. Reattach the seal covers.